am Bainaz Master. I'm the Deputy Head of ELC at our Berwick campus, and I'm also one of the reception lead educators. Celebrating culture and diversity is a core part of our curriculum here in the ELC. Part of our Diwali celebrations in the ELC have included a diverse range of cultural experiences for the children. Rangoli art is traditionally done at the entrances of homes in India, either with coloured chalk or rice powder. Diyas are referred to as lamps that are made out of terracotta traditionally and are lit with a wick and oil. The children have really enjoyed decorating them in their own way and have taken them home to celebrate and light these diyas with their families. This morning we had a Diwali Bollywood dance incursion in the ELC, and we invited families to come and join us participate in this event. Diwali is one of the biggest festivals in India, and dancing and music is very much a part of the culture, and children and families and staff had a great time dancing and celebrating.
Hello, my name is Mahi.
Hi, I'm Ruchi. Our son Shiv is in ELC at Haileybury.
So we've come to the Bollywood workshop today, and it was a fantastic event. We really loved dancing and celebrating Diwali, Festival of Lights. By celebrating events like Diwali, it shows how multicultural Haileybury is. It makes us feel part of the community and express our culture, learn about different cultures and share our own experiences.